Looking for a better way to connect with your customers and showcase your products and services? Check out the WhatsApp Business app and the Business Profile. Here's how to get started. Install the WhatsApp Business app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Verify your number to create an account. If you already have a WhatsApp Messenger account, verifying your number here will log you out of WhatsApp Messenger. After verifying your number, fill out your business name and business category and data profile picture. Then tap Next. Now, it's time to start building your business profile. Tap More Options and then Settings. From there, tap your business name and then tap Edit. Use your business profile to tell customers about your business, like where to find you, and the products and services that your business offers. Tell them when you're available. And share details like your business email and social media accounts so they know about other ways to connect with you. The unique features in Business Profile help you save time and energy, allowing you to focus on what really matters: connecting with your customers, increasing sales, and growing your business. Check out the Business Settings menu for more tools to help drive your business.